In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on Webflow. Setting up payment methods is one of the most important parts of building an online store because it allows customers to securely complete purchases directly through your website. With Webflow's e-commerce tools, you can connect trusted payment providers, configure checkout settings, and prepare your store for live transactions. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can start accepting payments smoothly and professionally. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com. Sign into your account and open the project where you want to enable online payments. Once your project loads inside the Webflow Designer, direct your attention to the top section of the interface and switch to the CMS area. Inside the CMS section, locate the e-commerce panel. If e-commerce is not yet enabled for your project, you'll need to turn it on before continuing. Once you see the option to activate e-commerce, go ahead and enable it, then continue through the setup process when prompted. As you proceed, Webflow may ask you to configure your online store first before adding payment providers. Follow the on-screen setup process until your store configuration is complete. After that, continue scrolling until you find the Add Payment Provider option. Click on it, then press Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be taken into the Store Settings area. From here, switch from the General tab to the Payment section. This is where Webflow allows you to connect supported payment services for processing customer transactions. At this stage, you'll notice that Webflow supports payment providers such as Stripe and PayPal. Choose the payment provider you want to use and click the Connect button beside it. A secure login window will then appear asking you to sign into your payment account. During the connection process, you may also be asked to provide business information, billing details, or verification documents depending on the payment provider's requirements. Complete the requested setup information carefully to ensure your account is fully activated and ready to process payments. Once your payment provider is successfully connected, continue configuring your store preferences such as currency settings, checkout options, and tax configurations. These settings help ensure that your online store functions properly and provides customers with a smooth checkout experience. If you're using Stripe, you can also take advantage of test mode before launching your store publicly. This allows you to simulate transactions and verify that everything works correctly before accepting real customer payments. After reviewing all your settings, click the Save button to apply your changes. Your Webflow store will now be connected to your selected payment methods and ready for online transactions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.